goes on and on. You give all day.
Welcome. As you first come in, you see this big wooden door. It's beautiful. Nice full-size length mirror. You see big screen TV. There's a bench. Nice storage. We already unpacked, so I have all my stuff for the weekend. And then here's a desk. And this chair is really cute, y'all. Get into this chair. This couch, apparently that's a pull-out couch, but that's not needed. The green, the pop of green is really pretty. And then that's a huge lamp. Love the gold accent.
I don't know if it's giving it justice, but that's where we were earlier.
It's really big.
It's really big. It's a whole lot of space over here.
Right beside the bed, we have an ice for when we go to bed.
King size bed, y'all. Over here, we got our little coffee station. And I like these little glass and the little cups. These is real cute. Them is real cute. And then we got our refrigerator in here, and we already done stocked it up with our own liquor. So we got some Henny in there and Patron. And then it's a little section right here to put your stuff. Not too much space, but since they got drawers over there, it's good. And then they got this cool little touchscreen tablet on the wall that controls the lights, the television, thermostat, tells you the weather. So like before you walk out, you ain't even gotta look on your phone. You got it right here.
She's stupid, y'all.
And then get into that bathroom, y'all. We got this nice glass shower, standing shower, and I like the black accents everywhere, floor, countertop, and then you got your double vanities, and they got this nice like black backsplash that's green, and these mirrors is everything.
Yeah, look at the shape of them.
The shape is
It's so
everything.
abstract and it's beautiful. The light behind it.
So the room came with 2 robes. So they have a indoor-outdoor pool that's heated. So you can take your robes down. And it also comes with
Slippers.
some slippers. But that's all, folks. That's our room tour.
Peace.
That's the end of the room tour. We'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.
There's no one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give